In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove headers or footers on some pages in Word document. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, as you can see here, I have two pages and they all contain header section and footer section. However, I like just to have only one page contain a header while the others remain the same. For instance, we are going to remove the header on page 2 and remain with the header on page 1, and also remove the footer on page 1 while retaining the footer on page 2. To do this, it's quite simple. Just follow these steps. Alright, so let me click here and you can visibly see the header section and the footer section here. Now, the first thing I want to do is to go ahead and change the view so that we can see this in real time. So I'll click on view and then click on multiple pages so that we can see the changes in real time or on these pages side by side. Now to remove the header on this second page only, just go ahead and double click on the header section or footer section, and as you can see, all the header and footer sections will be highlighted. But the problem is, if I go ahead and backspace or delete any wordings from the header, you can see it will delete on all the pages, but I don't want that. What we only need to achieve is to delete the header on this page while retaining the header on the first page. To do this, go ahead and choose this first option, select different first page and leave the rest as they are. So I'll go ahead and select, and now you can see if I just click on different first page, you can see we have the first page header removed while the second page remains. But for our case, we want the first page to remain while the second page to be removed. So to achieve this, I'll just go ahead and highlight this and then copy it on first page and paste it like this, and then go ahead and delete the header on the second page. And as you can see, now we have the header on the first page while the header on the second page has been removed. Great. Now we want to go ahead and remove the footer on the first page. Now to remove the first section on footer, I'll go ahead and just delete the first section, as you can see, and the second footer section will remain. Once you are done, now you can close this and you can see the changes will be kept as you preferred. So that's how you can remove or delete headers and footers on some pages on your Word document. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.